So wax museum on the American side. Oh, there's Abraham Lincoln. He's upset because he can't get a soda. There we go. First white man to view the falls. Louis Hennepin. The Indians called them long houses. This long house was constructed for the wax museum by an 85-year-old chief, Tom Reed, a Tuscarora Indian. Wow, that's awesome. So cool. What do we have here? LaSalle explored the Niagara frontier. The Indians, French and British, as represented by these figures, influenced the history of the Niagara frontier. Oh, it's an Indian canoe. The Devil's Hole Massacre. In the early days of sailing vessels, Indians were used to portage merchandise around the falls. Some enterprising white settlers sought to take over with the use of horse-drawn wagons. The incensed Indians lay in wait one dark night, ambushed the wagon train, and threw the wagons, drivers, and passengers into the gorge at a place called the Devil's Hole. This is reported to have been the first labor strike in North America. What a horrible thing. Oh, look at that poor lady. So sad. Just laying there. Look at this poor guy. Oh, look at the blood trickling down. Oh, the first use of Niagara as water power. Looks like a stately man. still upset about Devil's Hole. Alright. There we go.